Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful's back again, coming at you with a summoning video. This time we're going to be doing it on my little baby. Now, we're going to be doing singles just because I want to pull... Well, I want to pull Ichigo, but I don't really feel like wasting every single orb in this account. Want to make sure I have orbs for... probably more, honestly, Almeida, because I have no crystal links in here. So we'll go down to 0 if we need to, but I'd rather just play it safe. Is that a 4? Okay. Dang. Trolling me right off the go. Okay, I mean, I'll take 4 stars. Please be new. No, not new, but at the very least, I didn't already max her out, so I could definitely use it for Ascension. Oh, man. Alright, so hopefully we can actually get something good here. Koga, honestly, any one of these units would be fine. Now, if I pull Ichigo, we're out. Aside from that, and you know what? Alright, I'm just gonna hit it with the multi. And then we'll do singles from there. How's that? We'll do that. Because... yeah. Now, I have plenty of orbs to farm on this account. It is what it is. Ah, man. I would like Ichigo on this account just because I already have Renji and whatnot. Yes! Okay, good. 5 star. Please. Alright, there's Koga. I highly doubt it's going to be a 2-in-1, but I'll let it play out. Ah, shut up, Hanatara. Yeah. I'll kick your, like, wannabe Pepsi Cola ass out of here, bro. Alright. Tag Team Koga is good. I could definitely use DR on this account. And I could definitely use 5 stars that are usable on this account, that's for sure. But Ichigo's still the prize, to be honest. I'm not sure if I want to summon... Oh, Yumichika. It's a nah, bro. I've seen enough of you. But what was that thing called? I kind of want to summon on the droplet banner, like, cause I could use 4 out of the 6 of the units there. Dupe, Ruki, and Renji should be okay, cause I could definitely use links. I'm probably gonna hold on to most of my links in this game instead of using the dupes, just in case I could actually make use of them. And yeah, so it was just a 1. The Koga's good, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, I don't really see myself using Koga too much as an actual unit as opposed to maybe just using it for the DR link. But we still have 224 orbs, so hopefully we can actually get another one. I'd be a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, I'd be a little bit annoyed if we get another Koga. But at the very least, if I got any of the units here first, that wasn't Ichigo, it would definitely be him, just because I definitely don't want 2 Retsus. You know? Oh, it's 4? And speed again. Yeah, speed again. Oh, man. I've seen enough of that dude to last me a lifetime. Now Yumichika. Yeah, I hope y'all pulled fire in this. I've seen a lot of... Actually, I've seen a lot of cucking on this banner. Especially, like... Oh, man. Like, I know a few people that have spent, like, a lot of money. A lot of orbs. And... So, I don't know. Honestly, the orbs are way too expensive. Considering that you're not guaranteed shit. Like, all you get is orbs. Like, sure, you can get, like, 80 potions. But, like... Or is it 200? I don't even know how many potions you get for 80 bucks. But... for $80... I'd rather, honestly, yo, for $80, you can get a Hummer on, like, almost any street corner over here in New York. So, I just don't see why, why they think 2 multis that are most likely going to be cuck multis is acceptable. Yeah, it is what it is, though. Alright, we're coming down on the last of our orbs. Yeah. At the very least, I have a new green character. And last single. I've already picked up everything from the shop, so... No, 4 star. That might be new. Not new, but didn't max them out yet. All right. But thank y'all for joining me. This tag team Koga is not a bad pull, not a bad pull at all. Just not Ichigo. It is what it is. It's not really all that useful anymore. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be looking for this banner. I'm not gonna be streaming tonight, primarily because I'm not planning to go that deep into this banner. On my main, I'm probably gonna do like 200 orbs. Not really enough for me to merit streaming. For like, you know, because when I stream, I prefer to stream for at least 2 hours, just cause. And I guess I'll leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch me up, hit me up, stay blessed. Let me know if you're still summoning for this Ichigo, because as of the upload of this, there's like 5 hours left of this. Or let me know if you're actually like done with this Ichigo and moving on to this new banner, because at the very least, you're guaranteed something new in tomorrow's banner. So yeah, let me know. I'll leave it at that. Stay blessed, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.